Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the rules of capitalization. There are several rules and some of them are pretty easy to understand and some of them can get pretty confusing. So today we're going to tackle a few of these rules and do some practice with those. Rule number 1, capitalize the first word of a sentence. You would think that's pretty obvious, but actually occasionally I do see people that don't do that. Okay, so we always want to capitalize the first word. Here you just have a couple of examples. You'll see that the we in the first sentence is capitalized, as well as when in example 2. Let's quickly go through some practice on this. You can follow along on your own copy of this. So if the sentence is correctly capitalized, just write the word correct. Otherwise, rewrite the sentence correctly with proper capitalization. The first one, the man went to the market. Is the first word capitalized? No. So we would rewrite that with a capital T on the first word. Second sentence, everything looks good. You've got the everyone capitalized. Rule number 2. The first word following a colon is going to be lowercase unless it's a proper noun. So a proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. Here's an example. See the following announcement, colon. Term papers will be due on July 20th. Okay, so we're looking at the word after the colon, term. It's not capitalized. So is term a proper noun? No. So this is correct. Let's do a couple of practice problems. Okay, sentence 1, mark my words, colon, Jeremy will succeed in my class. Let's take a look at the word after the colon, it's Jeremy. So what kind of word is Jeremy? Okay, that's a proper noun. It's the name of a person, specific person. So this is incorrect. Jeremy should be capitalized. Example 2. Here is my advice. Study at least 3 hours a week for my class. Let's take a look at the word after the colon, study. Here we have it capitalized, but should it be? Is the word study a proper noun? No, it's not. So this is incorrect. We need to rewrite this and uncapitalize the S in study. Let's move on. Rule 3. Capitalize the names of specific persons. Example, my name is Joshua. So when you write your name or someone else's name, you always capitalize. Okay? This one's easy, so we really don't need to do any practice problems with this. Let's move on to rule number 4. Capitalize a specific course title, but not a generic course subject. Let's look at these correct examples. I really struggle with math. Okay, so the word math, it's not referring to a specific class in your schedule. It's just talking about the subject in general. So this is correctly not capitalized. Example 2, I will take Introduction to Algebra next year. We capitalize it because you're referring to a specific class. Okay, let's look at these problems and see if they're correct. Have you ever taken a chemistry class before? Okay, chemistry is not capitalized, but should it be? No, because it's just a generic subject. So this is correct. Next one, I recommend that you take Introduction to Film with Dr. Gentry. So you're recommending a specific class to take called Introduction to Film. So this is correctly capitalized. Rule number 5. Do not capitalize compass directions unless they refer to a specific region. Okay. Example 1, we're headed west towards our destination. Okay, west is not a specific location, so it's not capitalized. Example 2, my relatives are from eastern Kentucky. Okay, that's a specific place in Kentucky, so it is capitalized. Let's look at some examples. Okay, there is a gas station about 5 miles west of here. So you're just using west generically, not as a specific place. So it's not capitalized, and that's correct. So we don't need to rewrite this sentence. Next, the cost of living is cheaper in Western Kentucky. Is Western Kentucky a place that you're referring to? Yes, it is. So Western should be capitalized. So we would need to rewrite this one. Sorry. One more, rule number 6. Capitalize a type of relative if you're referencing a specific person. So, is grandma doing okay? You're referring to one specific grandma, asking if she's okay. So, that's capitalized. Example 2, she is going to become a grandmother. Okay, here you're using the word grandmother as kind of just a thing, not a specific person. So it's not capitalized. Practice sentences. Hi Mom, I'm home. Mom is a specific person that you're addressing. So this is incorrect. The M should be capital M. And finally, all of the dads volunteered for the Boy Scout event. You're not referring to a specific dad, your dad, just dads in general. So this is correct to not capitalize the word dads. Okay, we'll pick up with this in class tomorrow. And if you have any questions about this, just be sure to ask me when I see you next. Thanks. Bye.